God.
Hey, Anthony. I'm excited about this one because I see there's a blueberry component and I am a massive blueberry fan.
So this right here is actually some blueberry lemon zest simple syrup.
That is heaven to me. I would squirt that on everything.
So this cocktail here is called the Singani Mist.
Okay.
Are you familiar with hookah? Have you ever smoked like the...
Yeah.
So I used to mix two flavors, blueberry muffin and lemon mint.
It's funny because I only eat breakfast when I'm on vacation. I never eat breakfast. It's just a thing. But when I'm on vacation, I always want breakfast. And I swear to God, all the time I get blueberry lemon ricotta pancakes. Anytime I find them at any hotel. So dude, you're hitting everything for me today. This is great. Very excited.
You and my mother could have the best retired women's brunch ever.
That's it.
2 ounces of Singani, it's gonna be 4 ounces for us.
Fantastic.
Or just I guess 4 ounces for you. Now we're gonna use 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice.
Okay.
Good. So again, this is a blueberry simple syrup. You know, 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Added the blueberries, frozen blueberries.
Okay.
And once it's cooled, I zested lemon into it.
Okay. Interesting. And then you strain out whatever to get to this?
To get to the syrup. But yeah, just like a easy... There's some blueberries in there because I wanted just to let it keep infusing with the blueberry.
Okay.
But yeah, just strain it out to get it like a...
Horrible consistency,
horrible
like
consistency.
your basic simple syrup.
And these blueberries are just leftover blueberries, and I added a touch of Singani in there so they'll keep.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, that's smart. I never even thought about that. That's nice.
Our glasses, they feel almost like it was a Manhattan.
I love it.
I'm gonna use some mint leaves.
This is perfect for the heat. We got the heat coming in right now, and I see this all. You know, I'm a quick and easy vodka lemonade guy during the summer.
Oh, yeah, I mean,
it's because it's just like, oh, it's hot. You know, I'll just make a vodka lemonade.
10 minutes making a cocktail.
Right. Now, that being said, if I'm going to make a cocktail, I want to lean towards that because it's refreshing and I feel this is right in that ballpark. This is like a sophisticated version of that.
We like to be sophisticated.
I do. You got to shake with the shaker.
Shake.
It's just how it is.
I'm gonna, like I said, double strain this using a fine mesh strainer. Get those mint leaves out.
Yeah. You can smell it. It's funny.
Look at that color.
That is really, really nice. I like it. Appetizing.
I present to you the Singani Mist.
Singani Mist.
Cheers. Bottoms
Cheers.
up, sir.
Oh my God, that's delicious.
You get the blueberries?
Absolutely. You get the blueberry, you get the lemon for sure. That helps kind of sparkle it a little. But the blueberries in there, I don't get as much mint. I got the mint when you shook it.
Yeah.
I think, you know what, also for color, perhaps a mint leaf floating on top at the end, because this is such a really great color and throwing in that green.
Just get a little contrast.
Yeah, exactly. And if you have it floating in there, you're gonna get that smell every time you come in. I think that would be a nice little touch to it. That's if I were making my own at home. I'm just saying, taking his recipe, making my own, I'm floating a mint leaf.
So we call backseat bartending.
Exactly.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Up.
Delicious.